Pandas is a software library written for the Python programming language and stands for Python Data Analysis Library. It is the most used library for data manipulation and analysis in Python. The original author was Wes McKinney, who started working on Pandas in 2008 out of the need of a high-performance, flexible tool to perform quantitative analysis on financial data. What is cool about the library is that it takes data like a CSV file and creates a Python object with rows and columns called a data frame. Pandas has many commands to statistically analyze the data frame and perform data cleansing. Matplotlib is a multi-platform data visualization tool in Python built upon the NumPy and SciPy framework and was conceived by John Hunter in 2002, originally as a patch to IPython to enable interactive MATLAB-style plotting via GNUplot from the IPython command line, and the first version was released in 2003. One of Matplotlib's most important features is its ability to play well with many operating systems and graphic backends. Sklearn is a machine learning library in Python that provides various algorithms, classifications, clustering, and regression. It was initially developed by David Kanapu as a Google Summer of Code project in 2007, and the first public release was published in the late January 2010. It is largely written in Python and uses NumPy extensively for high-performance linear algebra and array operations.